Hey guys, I am doing the feather today. I'm going to use my black as the background and I'm going to do the rainbow. So let's get started. So I got black here as my background. I just need to spread it over to cover my canvas. By the way, this is the canvas. I have got masking tape at the back as usual because I don't want it to get messed up too much. And I'm using this metal rack for the to hold my canvas. I can move it easily. So here we go. I'm just going to cover the side as well, so I don't need to worry about it later on. This is really fun. I like it. Okay, so it's nearly done. I'm gonna put some more black over there where I can see the canvas because I don't want canvas to get stained. I want to cover fully with the base color, the painting. Okay. Yeah, it's getting covered now. So here we go. I'm going to touch it too much. I'll use my torch gun, to get rid of the bubbles. So I don't want bubbles to harass me later on. You see that? It's popping. Still popping, quite a lot there. Okay, that's fine. So here you can see I have got all my rainbow colors paint on the tape. Oh, you can have a look at that. And I put the string on it. So now thing is I'm going to put one out and put it like this. Oops, doesn't really matter. And let's sit for a bit. and then slowly pulling on a side this way, just like this. So I'll do the same as other side as well. Put in the same line, this, and slowly start pulling it like this, and at the end just going to put that one. I'm using the wrong way around. I might have to cut that one off. Just to cut that bit and put in the middle there. That way. So this is how it looks now, my feather. It's beautiful, isn't it? Thank you for watching, guys, and stay in tune. I'll keep coming with the new videos and tutorial. Thank you.